Hey YouTube, so I did not record while I was in the orthodontist office today. My appointment was at 2:50. So I told you I broke a bracket. I'm talking even more with the list because they put a thicker wire and I can feel it. It was pressure, and when I put the wire on, then when I put the bands on, there was even more pressure, but it didn't hurt. So they took the bracket off right here, and they just put a coil or a coil on the wire right here. I did get dark blue, or it's called midnight blue. Blue is my favorite color. The appointment was at 2:50. I was out the office by 3:05. My next appointment will be longer. It's January 5th at I think 11:15 or 11:10 in the morning. It'll be longer because they told me they're going to put a thicker wire on there, and they're going to remove some brackets and reposition them. Oh, okay. So because I have no top molars, they told me I needed tabs, which the back molars would have been used to, as the wire got thicker, keep the wire propped up. They would have been able to put like something around the molar, that particular molar in the back, to keep these teeth as they shift this way and close it, go backwards, so into my mouth. But you see, I asked about those because I got to pay an oral surgeon to do surgery in my gum area on both sides. So she said that's probably won't be done until the middle of the year, so I have time for that. The girl automatically, I guess, heard when she looked at my teeth, based on, I guess, whatever they saw on the screen. My teeth have shifted, like I said, a lot in the last 53 days. So she jumped me up 3 wire sizes. So I didn't go to like the next size up. She jumped me up 3. I said, well, whatever you got to do so we can get this process done and fast, and I get these braces off, it don't bother me. Go ahead. If you can skip me up some wires, go ahead. So she did skip up some wires. I just felt a lot of pressure. It's not really bad. But yeah, the wire is thicker. They gave me more wax, more brushes, more super floss. Yeah, this wire feels funny, but I don't have to worry about feeling like it's moving. So I can't wait to see what happens on my next visit, how long that's gonna be. And if you guys are wondering, I do have on lashes. They are magnetic. I've been wanting to wear lashes for a while, and I could never play with the glue and all that bull crap. So I decided to get some magnetic with the little eyeliner and all that. And I kind of like these. They got 3 different lengths. This is the second length, because all that other stuff look like I'm flying and unnatural. I don't want to deal with that. But anyway, this is an early quick update. I can feel more pressure. I did stop at Wendy's on the way home early and bought like 2 baked potatoes. I ate one earlier, probably eat another one later. It's in the fridge. I just warm it up because I feel pressure. So I'm about to take me some ibuprofen, because the sister's not gonna be able to sleep tonight if it get worse. So other than that, YouTube, this is a quick update on my first retightening, and more to come. You all have a great rest of your Monday.